Hi everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. I'm Aussie Fidel76. Happy New Year. A bit late, but yeah. Anyway, I got this set when I was on holidays. I got it at Big W and it was $115. I think it's normally around $125 in Australia, but it was $115, which was awesome. It is a 2016 set. It is 2017 now. Well, I hope I release this video in 2017. I was looking forward for it. It's got Killer Moth and Scarecrow in it. I'm really looking forward for both of those minifigures because they are very awesome, and it is the first ever Killer Moth minifigure to be released in the Batman theme / superheroes theme. And a brand new Scarecrow, which is very cool. You get a Batcopter, tractor with a farmer, and the harvester looks really cool. Anyway, this is ages 7 to 14, set number 76054. Batman, Scarecrow, Harvest of Fear. And I like this little section here, like the little picture here of the minifigures. It's pretty cool. How it's all just, yeah, like that. Anyway, let's turn around. See what we got here. Very cool. We got a comic book included, and I'll show you that. There's the sides. Made in. It says this one's in Denmark, Hungary, Mexico, China. Very good. Let's open up, shall we? Okay, I'll just put this down. It's my phone. It's got a pretty good camera now, I think. Well, I hope. Okay. I just gotta stand it up. What side should I open it by? Probably this side. So I've got some scissors, bit of sands going on here. Alright, and snip. Beautiful. So let's open it up and reveal what's inside. Nice box. Okay, so I got this for $115. Big W, which is really cool. Yeah, nice box. I like the box. Very cool. So that's what you get. 3 numbered bags, I believe. That must be the harvester. Bag number 2. That must be the Batcopter, which is very nice. What's this? Oh, this is a new kind of plastic bag. You get the venom pipe and these bits. 4th plastic bag. You've got the minifigures in here. You've got Scarecrow at least. That must be a continuation of that one. So you put them together. More minifigures in here. Bag number 1. Oh, my book's been scrunched up. That's just terrible. Little baggie for that. Let's just open that quickly and see what's inside. Oh, there we go. And it's got this little number on the bag as well, but that can't be important, so I'm not going to show you. Alright. 2 instruction booklets that are both creased on the bottom. I'm not going to like that at all. So that's book number 1. Got pirate on the back, and I think it's just finishing the Batcopter, and it has 88 steps and 78 pages. Can you see that, guys? Very good. And got Killer Moth and the farmer. Probably Batman in this as well. Shows you how to do that. Next booklet is, oh, I like this. Got all the sets. I still need to get these 2. I'm definitely going to get them. What's this one? Justice League Gotham City Breakout. New Batman movie. Pieces pages. Oh, light's falling. 76 steps. My light's not working. And 53 pages. That's all. That's the yeah, the tractor thing. Alright, let's have a look at the comic book. It has all the minifigs on the back there, which is nice, very nice. And is comic book. I like it. It looks really cool. See, it starts with the Scarecrow set, which is nice. And I'll just keep quickly turning the pages for you guys. And you do get a sticker pad, and I've nearly lost it, so I have to go find it, catch it. Cool little image there. That's back. Alright. Quite a few stickers, but that's okay. That is everything you get with the set. So that is very cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!